I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots, and a sexy body full of tat.
She went sexy on one camera. We're here at the Dallas show, and these are one of the #1 talking points right now. We have introduced our valves and our actuators earlier this year. First thing out of the box is we have a lifetime warranty. That includes the flapper that's chemical resistant inside the check valve, and even our actuators have a lifetime warranty.
You said lifetime?
Yes, sir. Diverters, the actual gasket inside, the actuator, even with the drop slot technology that we have, you pick these up to cam these so they will turn as you want them in space if you have water features. The handle is over molded. The biggest part that we just did some performance testing that we are up to half of the head loss than our competitors. And that's a big thing when you're talking efficiency in pools. It's like changing out all your lights in your house. And once you do that, your whole house becomes more efficient. The reason why we went with lifetime warranty is because we have out-engineered, we have over-molded handles, and we sonic welded our gasket onto our diverter. That is huge. So if we're going to go after the industry, we have to have something that backs the customers and the service pros that are out there.
Well, your actual caps and diverters and everything, will they fit in a Jandy or Hayward or a comp?
They will on the Jandy. Guys are using our diverters and our check valves and putting them on.
As direct replacement.
Absolutely. They won't fit some of them. Just check with us and we can let you know which ones. The biggest thing with these are the lifetime warranty and the price. Pricing is a big thing. Everybody wants cost. We made a very efficient valve at a very efficient price. The best part about our valves and our actuators are the lifetime warranty along with the pricing. We have created a very efficient system with our valves and check valves. We've also are cost effective to the customer, even down to the end user and the customers there at PoolWorks. The other part of this is creating something that is going to be able to be used on everybody's pad. These plugs are the same 24 VAC plugs, any of your automation, your heaters that are coming out with automation. So they are seamless across the board. 2.5 inch on the outside and a 2 inch on the inside. And we have a 1 inch and a 2 inch. We are NSF certified, so these can be used on commercial applications as well, which is another big part of this industry.
I'm excited about your valves and your actuators.